UDP candidate and sitting MDC Balajied Rani addressed a public gathering in Nongpoh yesterday evening, seeking the support of the people for his re-election. Emphasizing his 6 years of close connection with the people, Rani spoke about his commitment to assist the community both personally and officially. While acknowledging the limited powers of an MDC, he stressed the importance of enacting strong laws within the district council to protect the state's land and resources. Rani urged voters to support him, promising to continue his developmental initiatives and complete unfinished work.
Hangte hapo district council. Hangga tem ke bangayo aban longkum MDC. Nila persang banyak keren yakimat kijura kibayadei bat kari bat kajai benriu ki jongi. Kamram jongi kum ki MDC galong. Ban sna yaki ain ki bas kem. Kibayadei bat kariti ke dustur ke khendau ke siap ke longkur ke longjai ke sensyar ke khadar tenrai ke babangi nyidan.